and put my legs up for a little bit.
I'm gonna pull one of these spring boostings back like that. That's not just release pressure. And take the bolt out of it. Let's see if I can measure the height of that spring. I can't remember if it's 3/4 or 7/8. I'm thinking 7/8. I found some nylon bushings, but I don't think they'd last long. Do you?
No.
The center part sticks out just a little bit, so when you tighten the shackle, you know, it bottoms out. I think they're 2 inch. 2 inches long. I know somebody got to be making. So you looked it up for me. They've probably been 3 or 4 years ago now. One place had 2 bolts. Well, I don't need the bolts. It's just a standard 3/8 bolt that goes in them. I just need the bushings. It'll be 2, 4, 6, 8. It's either 9 or 10 because you get 2 on the steering. The way it hooks up to it. Oh, it pops and cracks when coming down the hill up there. You make a turn and it'll just snap. But I found those at Lowe's. They were 3/8 ID by 7/8 OD. Then they had the 3/4 OD. I could not remember which one it was. And they were inch and a half long. But they were nylon. I said, well, that nylon's not going to last long. Now, if it's Teflon, probably lasts a while.
You know, something I was noticing when I was trying to come up the bank a little bit is the differential lock on it, where your heel is. It's in such a weird place. I kept trying to get my heel on it, and I couldn't.
And sometimes you get it locked in, or you go let it up, it didn't come out. You have to back up or something.
I felt like I was kick-starting something on the back of my heel. I had to look down. I guess if I got used to it.
Where is yours at?
It's just to the left of the emergency brake lockdown. You know how you hold the brake pedal, and put the emergency or the parking brake down.
Sometimes they
right
brake
beside
on
it.
that and do it.
It popped out. Yep, it popped. It feels
I think it needs
adjustment or a spring or something. It doesn't feel like it's got the return catch on it.
There's a whole bunch of pop.
What is it?
It's just salt. That's a salt paper towel. These are all.
Oh, I was going to say, so I'll tell you, if you've been holding out on a fried apple pie for me, we're going to talk.
I started to make some the other day. I warned you was eating a fried apple pie something.
Oh, yeah, the one I had the picture of.
And I thought, I'd like to make some. And I pulled around and let that going bag apple. Every one of them wrong.
She could have sold the one she made, I tell you that.
Well, I got the tool to make them. I bought her the tool to make them. Name for it. It's an Italian name. The inside of them are cheese. They bake them that way.
I can't remember what those are called. Spin around right back here. Which log is you talking about? This one?
Yeah. See what happened to me? I brought the other one up from that side. There's one down there could be drug out the lower side. That one probably would go out the lower side, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but you know, there's also a chance too with this size tractor, if it started to roll in this right way and started to pull sideways,
Yeah.
it may not be good. That's enough weight to, I'd be worried about it.
I mean, I
Boy,
started out yonder. Let's see how clean this road is now.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I picked rock and stuff like that, just limbs. I don't know, is that stump up there? No, it's on out of it.
There's a rock right up there.
Yeah, I used to sit on that and hunt. Flat rocks and plant them against that tree.
Mm-hmm.
Because long about 4 o'clock, 4:30 in the fall, and squirrels come out, come put beer down here with a chicory and stuff. They done something else to it. I noticed when you try to shut it, it makes a clip. I know why he didn't want it in the air, you know, going to catch the tractor on it, or backhoe, you know, cable. Yeah, it's still dropping down a bit. Is that a stump cut off down there? It is, isn't it?
Down there?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to work, maybe get that on the pile for him?
Could get that on the pile. Maybe just try to clean it up right there.
Then at least you can tell him that area
Yeah.
All right, let's do that. That'll at least
You might be able to go down through right there and push this stuff down through. That's what I was planning on, but I got a little bit scared. You know, I'm not used to it.